Welcome to Copilot Podcasts. You know what's wild? Some creators are making $60,000 a month using AI, and they're barely breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the AI gold rush with a special focus on the groundbreaking book AI Goldmine. We'll explore how anyone can tap into this digital wealth explosion, even if you're not a tech wizard.
And what's really fascinating is that we're just at the beginning of this revolution. The book really breaks down how AI tools like ChatGPT and generative AI are creating opportunities that simply didn't exist even a year ago.
I mean, when I first heard these numbers, I was honestly skeptical. $60,000 a month? That sounds too good to be true.
Well, let's look at some real examples. Take Matt Parr, who's running 12 faceless YouTube channels using AI tools for script writing and editing. He's consistently earning between $20,000 and $35,000 monthly.
Wait, 12 channels? How does he manage all that content?
That's the beauty of AI tools. He uses ChatGPT for scripts and CapCut for editing, which automates most of the process. It's exactly what the AI Goldmine book emphasizes, working smarter, not harder.
And this isn't just limited to content creation, right?
Not at all. Look at Chase Reiner, who's leveraging AI for social media content and automated lead follow-ups. He's pulling in $50,000 to $60,000 monthly just from promoting AI tools as an affiliate.
But there must be some catches here. What about the risks?
That's a great point. The book actually addresses this head-on. AI models are only as good as their training data. If that data is biased or inaccurate, you won't get reliable output.
So it's not just plug and play?
No, and that's a crucial point. Success requires understanding how to use these tools effectively. The book provides step-by-step strategies for everything from content creation to affiliate marketing.
You know what's interesting? This reminds me of the early days of the internet.
Exactly. And just like then, early adopters have a huge advantage. Professor Steve Andriol from Villanova University argues that businesses that don't embrace AI will face significant competitive disadvantages.
But what about people who are completely new to AI? Where should they start?
The book recommends starting with simple tools like ChatGPT for writing and content creation. You don't need to be a tech expert, just follow the steps and build from there.
And what about the creative aspects? Does AI make everything feel robotic?
Actually, it's quite the opposite. AI tools free up time for creativity. You can focus on strategy and unique ideas while AI handles the repetitive tasks.
That's a really interesting perspective. AI as a creativity enabler rather than a replacement.
Right, and this is where the real opportunity lies. The book emphasizes that success comes from combining human creativity with AI efficiency.
Let's talk about specific tools. What are some must-haves?
Well, ChatGPT is obviously essential, but the book also covers tools like Jasper for content creation, Midjourney for visuals, and various automation tools for social media management.
And these tools are accessible to anyone?
Most have free tiers or affordable pricing. The key is knowing how to use them strategically, which is what the book really focuses on.
What about the ethical considerations?
That's crucial. The book addresses copyright issues, privacy concerns, and the importance of transparent AI use. It's about building sustainable, ethical businesses.
Speaking of sustainability, how future-proof is this approach?
According to the book, we're just scratching the surface. AI capabilities are expanding rapidly, and those who master these tools now will be well positioned for future opportunities.
But isn't there a risk of market saturation?
The book actually addresses this. The key is finding your niche and adding unique value. AI is just a tool. Success still depends on strategy and execution.
Let's talk about some specific success strategies from the book.
One major strategy is diversification. Don't just rely on one platform or income stream. Combine multiple approaches like content creation, affiliate marketing, and digital products.
That makes sense. Reduces risk, right?
Exactly. And it allows you to test different approaches to see what works best for you.
What about the learning curve? How long does it typically take to start seeing results?
The book suggests that with dedicated effort, you can start seeing initial results within a few months. But building significant income takes time and consistency.
So it's not really get rich quick?
No, and the book is very clear about that. It's about building sustainable, long-term income streams using AI as a tool.
What surprised you most about the strategies in the book?
The emphasis on community building. It's not just about using AI to create content, but about building genuine connections with your audience.
That's interesting. So AI actually helps with human connection?
By automating routine tasks, you have more time to engage meaningfully with your community. It's about working smarter, not harder.
Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid.
The biggest one is over-reliance on AI. The book emphasizes that AI should enhance your work, not completely replace human input.
Any other major pitfalls?
Yes, trying to do everything at once. The book recommends starting with 1 or 2 strategies and mastering them before expanding.
What about investment? How much do people typically need to start?
The initial investment can be quite minimal. Many AI tools have free tiers, and the book provides strategies for bootstrapping your way up.
That's surprisingly accessible.
That's one of the book's main points. AI is democratizing entrepreneurship. You don't need massive capital to start anymore.
What about staying updated with AI developments?
The book recommends following specific tech blog communities. It's important to stay current as AI tools evolve rapidly.
And what about competition? Isn't everyone trying this now?
The market is growing fast enough that there's still plenty of opportunity. The key is finding your unique angle.
Let's talk about scaling. How do successful people grow their AI-powered businesses?
The book outlines a 3-phase approach. Start with proven strategies, automate what works, then expand into new markets or platforms.
That sounds pretty straightforward.
The principles are simple, but execution requires dedication and consistent effort.
What's your take on the future of AI entrepreneurship?
The book predicts we're entering a golden age of AI-powered entrepreneurship. The opportunities will only grow as the technology advances.
Any final advice for our listeners?
Start small, stay consistent, and focus on providing real value. AI is a powerful tool, but success still comes down to solving real problems for real people.
This has been incredibly insightful. Any last thoughts?
Remember, the AI revolution isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting our capabilities. The opportunities are there for those willing to learn and adapt.
Well, there you have it, folks. The AI gold rush is here, but it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building smart, sustainable businesses with AI as your partner.
And don't forget, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is now.
Thanks for joining us on Copilot Podcasts. Remember, in this AI gold rush, the real wealth isn't in the tools, it's in how creatively you use them. See you next time.